Those home DNA testing kits have become increasingly popular, but are you really getting your money's worth? Tonight, Amy Wagner takes a look in this Simply Money Consumer Alert.
If you have a family history of breast cancer or Alzheimer's disease, you may be interested in having your DNA tested to see if you carry the gene mutations that may mean a higher risk. A new home test says it can spot them, but other researchers say not so fast. Companies like 23andMe and DNA Direct sell kits directly to consumers, which allow them to collect DNA samples at home and send those samples in for testing. Those tests claim to spot mutations responsible for everything from breast cancer to Alzheimer's disease to cystic fibrosis. People who have these illnesses in their families may like the idea of doing that testing at home. But a new study from diagnostics company Ambry Genetics finds those home DNA tests have a 40% false positive rate. Here's the problem. When your doctor sends you to a clinical lab for testing, the process is far more thorough than the process used for these over-the-counter kits. And these kits release raw data to consumers, which can easily be misinterpreted. And that could either make you very worried when there's no cause for concern or give you false reassurances when there really is a problem. The Simply Money point here, if you have any concerns about your family history or risk for certain diseases, your best bet is to talk to your doctor about whether genetic testing is a good idea or not. For Fox 19 Now and Simply Money, I'm Amy Wagner.